उसके बाद तो ये जो जो कामरा का अंदर जो रास्ता नहीं है वो भगवान का आशीर्वाद, भगवान ने वो बहुत अच्छा किया जो उसको एक ट्रेन जैसे बना दिया। जैसी ट्रेन बन गया पूरा आदमी उसी के अंदर गिरना पड़ गया और मेरा अंदर 6-7 आदमी गिर गया था।
तो ऐसे कोई आदमी को निकाला, जिंदा निकाला, सुबह बाहर करते करते मर गया है।
10 people were killed. Over 41 were injured when a goods train crashed into the Kanchenjunga Express near West Bengal's Rangapani station. A collision so daunting, it left a wagon of the Kanchenjunga Express suspended in the air. The sight immediately brought back memories of the triple train mishap from a year ago. One of the deadliest collisions in the last decade claimed 296 lives in Odisha. Not just memories, the Bengal train accident brought to fore safety concerns that were forgotten, questions that remained unanswered, mudslinging that took center stage, and accountability that was shook just months after Balasore. On the morning of June 17, a goods train hit the Sialda-bound Kanchenjunga Express from behind. 3 coaches of Kanchenjunga were derailed.
8:40 का बीच में हमारा ट्रेन आस्ते आस्ते से जा रहा था। अचानक ऐसे हुआ, पूरा ट्रेन ये हो गया। उसके बाद तो ये जो कामरा का अंदर जो रास्ता नहीं है वो भगवान का आशीर्वाद, भगवान ने वो बहुत अच्छा किया जो उसको एक ट्रेन जैसे बना दिया। जैसी ट्रेन बन गया पूरा आदमी उसी के अंदर गिरना पड़ गया और मेरा अंदर 6-7 आदमी गिर गया था।
Local residents rushed in to assist rescue teams.
इतना शब्द हुआ ना, इतना शब्द, बाप रे बाप। हम लोग सोचता था ब्रेक क्या, तो साथ साथ आके अगर रेल एक्सीडेंट हुआ तो आके देखा तो पूरा यहाँ पे पूरा लफड़ा, पूरा हादसा हो गया, पूरा बचाओ। तो ऐसे कोई आदमी को निकाला, जिंदा निकाला, सुबह बाहर करते करते मर गया है।
लोग यहाँ पर था, वहाँ पर था, पूरा खन्ना चिल्ला चिल्ली कर रहा था, इसलिए हम लोग को संभाला और हमारा हाथ से मैंने 7 डेड बॉडी निकाला और बाकी जो है वो सुस्त था, वो हाथ काटा गया, खैर पैर नहीं है, उसको हॉस्पिटल भेज दिया।
Rushed to the accident spot from his village, but Muhammad Mumirul couldn't save the pilot of the goods train who died holding his hand. Little did Mumirul know, the deceased driver would be held responsible for the fatal crash just hours after his death. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, already under the heat for being given the ministry again just months after Balasore, arrived at the accident spot. His appeal to refrain from politics over the train crash found no takers from the opposition.
Rail have become totally parentless. Only you can see railway at the time of inauguration. So many talking points and so many beautification of words, and just like it's a fashion, but they don't take care about the passenger amenity. I'm sorry, I worked as a railway worker, so I know the things.
ये पॉलिटिक्स का समय नहीं है, अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है, कंप्लीट फोकस है, जैसा आप स्वयं जानते भी हैं।
The fatal crash has raised some crucial questions. The Railway Board's initial report pointed towards the negligence of the loco pilot. Operating under a defective automatic signalling system, the goods train and the Kanchenjunga Express were both issued TA 912. The written authority, TA 912, mandates the driver to stop for a minute at each red signal, proceed with a maximum speed of 10 km per hour, and maintain a 150-meter gap from the preceding train. Railway Board claims that the Kanchenjunga Express cleared the mandates, but the goods train's speed exceeded the permissible limit.
सिग्नल डिसरिगार्ड किया, मतलब इसका ये है कि उनको गाड़ी रोकनी चाहिए थी, उनको आगे गाड़ी बिना रोके नहीं चलानी चाहिए थी, पर ऐसा लगता है कि गाड़ी उन्होंने नहीं रोकी और वो सिग्नल के बावजूद, सिग्नल था रुकने के लिए, उसके बावजूद गाड़ी आगे चली।
Is it fair to blame a deceased driver? probe is underway to fixate the real cause of the accident. Kavach, the anti-collision train protection system, alerts when the driver jumps signal, controls speed of the train if the driver fails to apply brakes on time, assists loco pilots identify impending dangers, helps halt the train when it detects another train on the same track within a specific distance. Turns out, there was no Kavach on the route. Kavach has been deployed on just 1500 km out of 70,000 km of tracks owned by the Indian Railways. Safety category posts include train drivers, inspectors, crew controllers, loco instructors, train controllers, track maintainers, station masters, pointsmen, electric signal maintainers, signaling supervisors, among others. Being directly involved in running of trains, these posts are crucial to safe running of trains. Railway Ministry, in response to an application under the RTI Act, said, under safety category, total sanctioned posts were 10,941 and vacant posts were 1,52,734. Sanctioned posts of loco pilots were over 70,000, but the vacant posts were over 14,000. Sanctioned posts of assistant pilots were 57,551. The vacant posts were 4,337. Railway trade unions have raised concerns over rising stress on officials and shortage of personnel in the safety category. Rail employees have flagged a deficient in training system in a specific division of the Northeast Frontier Railways. But Divisional Railway Manager brushed aside the charges and said that such allegations come up only after an unfortunate accident. While politicians bickered, news anchors drew parallels between regimes, and netizens demanded answers. Amid death, despair, and devastation, emerged the heroes of Rangabhani. Minutes after offering namaz on the morning of Eid al-Adha, local residents rushed to the train tracks when they heard earthquake-like loud sound. First respondents at the crash site, they rescued survivors, pulled out the bodies, arranged transport vans to send the injured for treatment, provided survivors water and snacks, while themselves fasting since morning.
आज कुर्बानी थी आपको बातिल कर दिया है हम लोग ईद पूरा है कुर्बानी बातिल कर दिया इस घटना को देख करके ऐसे कैसे करेगा हम लोग